Cuts by Reggie. Back again real quick at the end of my day of a nice Sunday of appointments, right? Got a package in from Atlanta Barber. I love Atlanta Barber. I get a lot of my stuff from Atlanta Barber. I honestly don't even remember what this package is. So we're gonna just do a quick unboxing. See what we got here. See what we got here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, comment. And if you don't like the video, dislike the video. I don't, you all have the right to speak your opinion, whether you like the video or not. All right. So I got the limited gold editions of the Magic Clips. And then what do we have here? Okay, we have the Slimline Pro with the GTX blade. This feels light. This feels light. Hopefully my stuff in here. Let's do a quick unboxing of this. I never used the Slimlines. Actually, I think I tried them once, but so these got the GTX blade on there, right? I know a lot of people say, well, you could just get somebody, modified, put the GTX blade on it, which you can. But with them actually coming from the company, they probably got the brackets the right way. They got the springs the right way. They made it for the actual clipper. They got the little guards. As y'all know, I don't like guards with trimmers. I know somebody was like that for this. I know, but I don't like them personally. What we got here? 2-minute run time after a 2-hour, 15-minute charge. So it takes longer to charge them but nonetheless, who cares? You're gonna charge them, you're gonna use them. What we got here? This feels light, man. But we are here. Here we are. Nice slim line. Again, like I said, I never use a slim line. I tried it once in the sense of using somebody else's, but it's got the wider blade on there. So I wanted to get it with the wider blade. That is light, boy. That is light. We're gonna see how that works. They got them oiled up nicely. If you can see that oil on there, they got them oiled up for me. I'm gonna put these on the charger while I'm doing the unboxing. Charging dock, guards, charge plug, oil. So before I leave the day, we're gonna put that on the charger. Set that to the side. And then I love Magic Clips. I know I talk a lot about JRL and ergos and all that, but I still use my Magic Clips. These are one of my favorite clippers. That was the first cordless clipper I had used. But now we have the black and gold, baby. Black and gold. Can I sing black and yellow for black and yellow, black and... Nah. It's close. It's a close color. All right. So, of course, we got the clipper. Boy, that look good. Boy, that look good. Look at that. Boy, that look good. We got some charge to it. Good old sounding. Look at that. I gotta definitely gap those a little bit. So we got the black and gold. I don't even know when I'm gonna use these because I got a lot of clippers in my arsenal as we speak. Of course, you got the charging. You got your famous Wahl comb that I got a bunch of. Let me show y'all this real quick. And this video is nothing crazy. I just got some packaging in. I got plenty of them combs over here. Like, I got a bunch of them because I buy clippers. I bought clippers before I even started doing the whole reviewing thing. But now that I do the reviewing, it's like, oh, I can put all of this stuff to use and actually talk about them and hopefully somebody like them. I got my half guard and my 1.5. Let's see. And booyah, guards. I know in my last video, I think it was in one of them. Oh, I done moved the camera. My bad. I know in one of my last videos, I was like, the ergo or the JRLs are the only ones that got up to the 8 guards. Damn, no, they not. I just was talking, hyping myself up, blah, blah, blah. Nothing special. Anyway, I don't ever use them either because I like the premium. I like the premium guards, so I use those. So yeah, just a quick unboxing of the clippers we've been using. What do we got? Do we got the runtime and stuff on here? I don't see nothing. Oh, 90-minute runtime. It don't say how long it take to charge though, but if you use Magic Clips, you know they got a 90-minute runtime. Not bad, you know what I mean? It's just the average timing of clippers and stuff these days, so you ain't mad at it. We're not the JRL got 5 hours or 4 hours, and the calibers got 5 hours. Ergos got 2 hours. These got 90 minutes. So I guess not the average. They all over the place actually. So yeah, just quick unboxing real quick. I got me a package in and I was like, well shoot. Even though these are clippers everybody have already seen, they already use them, there's nothing new. Why not? All right, just showing y'all what I got. I did want to try these out to see how, because I did see when people used to modify them, if they didn't do them right, the springs wasn't right. So for them to actually make them for the actual clipper, maybe the GTX blade and everything, actually, it should fit better and give you a better cut, you know, all that good stuff. Set these over here real quick. And I got another package in. See what we got in here. This is from GIBS. If y'all ever heard of GIBS Grooming, I am an official distributor of GIBS Grooming products. So if you in Knoxville area and you looking for some good beard products, I do make my own, but I also sell GIBS. So I did have to restock on a few things. Got the Beard Balm. I sell out of this pretty often. This is your biofuel conditioner shampoo. I got the travel size of these, and then I also have the full size. These are 12-ounce bottles of each product. And I got some Shark Bite. These are razor holders. Let me see if I open one of these up. I might give one of these away, do like a giveaway or something. And don't forget, speaking of giveaways, I have the 500 giveaway. Once I hit 500, they sent me some samples of some stuff. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway of JRL products. So keep that in mind. If you're not subscribed and would like to subscribe, see what I got in here. I know what I got. Let me show y'all what I got in here. Just a little razor handle, the Shark Bite. Look at that. Woo, almost lost it there. From GIBS, can y'all see that? See that design on there? Shark Bite by GIBS. Just one of the little 3-handle opener. I like those, yeah. That's kind of light. It's light. I wish it was a little heavier, because the heavier the handle, to me, the heavier the handle, the better it is for you to help flow. That's actually kind of big too. It's very light, but it's big. Make that a little smaller, make it a little heavier, give you a better glide when you using a razor. But I will be using that. So yeah, that's all I got today. I just wanted to show y'all what I had coming in and to remind y'all of the giveaway. Once I hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, I'll be having a giveaway. It will include JRL products, Hunter 1114 products, and maybe one of these. We're gonna get it all together. All right. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. Y'all see the beard coming back too, right? Because I've been using GIBS. It's helping me. This is 3 weeks. Booyah. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. If you don't like the video, thumbs down the video. Thank y'all very much for watching. Cuts by Reggie, and we out.